been a loyal Google Maps user on your iPhone, you're not alone. But this thing might change soon. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of all the tech details. For years, Apple Maps was the butt of many jokes for being clunky, inaccurate, and often a navigational nightmare. But with the launch of iOS 26, Apple may have finally found its call, and maybe even a few tricks Google doesn't have. The redesign is sleek and minimalist, offering a clutter-free interface that makes navigation feel easier. Tap on a location and the app delivers useful info without burying you in endless menus. It's a contrast to Google Maps with sometimes overwhelming interface, but the real game changers are the preferred routes and visited places. Preferred routes learns your daily commute and proactively alerts you to delays before you even open the app. No more surprises on the way to work or awkward turn-back changes mid-journey. It's a simple, smart feature Google surprisingly doesn't offer in the same way. On the other hand, visited places takes things a step further. Think of it as a real-world version of Spotify Wrapped. Automatically tracks and logs the places you've been, like restaurants, shops, and even strolls, while turning your movements into a personal travel diary. Ideal for curious explorers or those who need help remembering where last Friday night ended. With Apple's signature polished, improved visuals, new widget support, and privacy, Apple Maps is no longer just a backup plan, because with iOS 26, it's become way smarter and a more thoughtful alternative to Google Maps. So, are you switching? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.